Okay, so she got the baby powder spray and now she's gonna sneeze. Maybe. She said, She's not gonna be able to sneeze. But that perfume does smell like baby powder. You can't fake it, it wouldn't be as funny. She speaks gibberish sometimes. It's pretty close to your face. Come on. Go sniff some pepper. No, I'm just kidding, don't.
Oh, we have pepper. Oh my God, so we have pepper. Oh, I just sound like all smelling. Cheese, cheese, more cheese. That's what we have all. Dear shirtless man with the cheese, we love you, but not enough with your gangsta mama. So come away 800 Hobo House.
She just said gangster mama and hobo house in the same sentence. Wow. So if you're wondering what we're doing, we're sitting on the balcony, waiting for our ride to go to church. Yeah. Doesn't look like our ride's getting here though. So we're just sitting here trying to get Brittany to sneeze. Yeah. So you get to see cars go by. Or no cars go by. I mean, whatever.
What did you say, probably?
She might sneeze.
In
In a minute. Never mind. There's a church.
I went to that church once.
She's been to that church once. And there's a palm tree over there. And that was her phone she just threw down. And now I smell baby powder. Come on, sneeze, 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 sneeze. I told you you wouldn't be able to sneeze again.
Nothing's in gas.
Okay, go over there. Oh, Lordy. Okay. So today is May 30th, I think. And we are doing nothing on a balcony waiting for our ride for church.
Yeah, it's May.
Yeah, it's May 30th. And she just drank my Coke. And it's thundering. It's probably gonna rain while we're at church. So, yeah. Tell everybody bye, Brittany.